Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Hotjar website Heatmaps and Analytics, my user behavior insights. Hotjar website Heatmaps and Analytics provides user behavior insights for website owners and marketers. It aims to help users understand how visitors interact with their websites, identify areas for improvement, and ultimately optimize conversion rates. Key features include heat maps, recordings of visitor sessions, conversion funnels, and feedback polls. Their website provides details on their various plans and features. Hotjar emphasizes ease of use, offering a visually intuitive interface. They offer a free basic plan, as well as tiered paid plans with varying features and usage limits. The pricing is transparently displayed on their website, with no hidden fees or contracts mentioned. They leverage advanced tracking and analysis technology to provide detailed insights into user behavior. You can check their website to see if Hotjar integrates with your existing website platform. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Hotjar website Heatmaps and Analytics. Getting started was surprisingly easy. I simply pasted a small snippet of code into my website's header, and within minutes, Hotjar was up and running. The dashboard is clean and well organized. I was able to quickly navigate to the heat map section and see where users were clicking, scrolling, and moving their mouse. I found the session recordings incredibly insightful. Watching actual users interact with my site revealed some unexpected navigation issues I hadn't considered. For example, I saw several users struggling to find the call to action button on my landing page, which led me to redesign that section. The performance was generally good, the heat maps generated quickly, and the recordings played smoothly without any noticeable lag. I did have a quick question about setting up a conversion funnel, and their support responded within a day via email with a helpful and detailed answer. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the session recordings, as they offered a truly unique perspective on user behavior. One minor drawback was the limited number of recordings available on the free plan, which meant I had to be selective about which pages to track. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Hotjar. While the free plan has some limitations, it provides a great starting point for understanding website user behavior. That's my overview of Hotjar website Heatmaps and Analytics. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.